All right, here's a good question. You need to solve this equation. So let's factor that first one. Oops. So it'll be x squared over x minus 5x plus 5 is equal to x over x plus 5, can't factor that, minus 5x over, oh, hold on. That looks an awful lot like that one, but it's reversed. So what you can do is you can reverse this to an x minus 5. You can do that as long as you factor out a negative 1. And when you factor out a negative 1, it changes that sign to a positive. Okay, so making this the opposite of that, I can do that as long as I change that sign right there. So it was minus, I made it plus. All right, so now my lowest common denominator is going to be x minus 5x plus 5. So I need to multiply every term by that. So let's write them all again. X squared over x minus 5x plus 5, and x over x plus 5, and 5x over x minus 5. So I'm taking this and timesing it by the lowest common denominator, and this one by the lowest common denominator, and this one by the same. All right, now stuff cancels here. Oh, this one they all cancel. Nice. X squared equals, on this one the x plus 5s cancel, so I'm left with x times x minus 5, plus the x minus 5s cancel, and I'm left with 5x times x plus 5. Now I need to solve this. So x squared, let's distribute this, so it'll be an x squared minus 5x plus 5x squared plus 25x. Now let's collect things. Now here I have, if I subtract x squared on this side and on this side, those both cancel out. So really I have 0 is equal to minus 5x plus 5x squared plus 25x. Now I can combine these. Let me just do that over here. So it'll be 20x plus 5x squared is equal to 0. And then I'll factor out. So I'm going to take a common factor of 5x out. That'll leave me with 4 plus x. And now I can solve. So it's a 0 property. So either 5x is equal to 0 or 4 plus x is equal to 0. If you wanted to rewrite those in the proper order, that would have been a good idea too. So in this case, x would be 0, and in this case, subtract 4 on both sides. X is equal to negative 4. Hopefully that helps you with that one.